So today I'll be doing a review of this humidifier that I ordered from Daraz from iFlash. So it came in this box. It took around, I think, 15 days to get to me. And this humidifier comes with a filter and a cable that you have to use. It's all in Chinese. They had pink, white, and I think it's blue. I always love to buy stuff from China because it's so beautifully packed, as you can see. They have this. So I will try to open it up. And this is the old, another kitty. So I will try to open it up. And this is where the spray will come. And this is the switch. And this is where, as you can see, this part, this is where you're gonna open it up from. It's here too. And this is the cable that we have to use. Oh, I think the cable is inside. So I'm gonna open it up. There is a lock. Here we go. So as you can see, this is a lock. And you put it there. And then you close it like this. And then you open it like this. Like do this there and then open it up. So as you can see, this is filter. So it's gonna clean, gonna give us clean air that we need. I'm gonna close it. And this is the cable that we will be using. You can see we can use it perfectly with the cable charger, and this is very small, but I don't know how long it's gonna do this, so we're gonna try it out. I have water here. I'm gonna fill it. It says maximum there, as you can see there. It says maximum, so I'm gonna put it till there. I'm gonna fill it there, and I'm gonna fill it. Clean the water. Do not have any problems. Okay, right. Now we're gonna plug in this charger. As you can see, I have a charger. And you can put there and then plug in. So as we're gonna read this directions, so it says switch, it's this one, and then spray nozzle, and then subject, cotton swab, water tank, night light, and USB input. So we're gonna click the function key, spray continuously for 4 hours. Okay. Oh, it's working actually. Oh, that's a lot of, you can see spray. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a lot of spray. I wasn't expecting that, so that's the best thing about the humidifier. There is no water, as you can see, so it's just a spray, which is like, it's like a air but without a water, so that's pretty good. And I wasn't expecting this much spray from this small little humidifier. I turned it off. I'm gonna turn it on. Press and hold function key for 2 seconds for the first time to turn on the light, the night light mode. So we're gonna try this. 1, 2, okay. This is night mode, I think, when it's actually the lights are turned on. It's pretty nice at night. I think that big room will be covered, but if you want clean super air, so I think small room will be perfect. Especially I think this was suggested for near when you're sitting on the laptop table and PC or in car, but I am using it for my cat who needs very clean and very you know, not drying, and it's gonna do this. If you do for 2 seconds, it's gonna be like not continuous, so that you can use this water for longer. I think it will go for 4 hours straight. Run for 8 hours if you do intermittently, but 4 hours when you're using content. Okay, so as you can see, the wigs that you can change water wigs for when it's, you know, when it's clogged and it's not giving the spray a lot, then you can change it. And I will link in the description below that what to do with this manual. The cotton wigs that you will have to buy is separately. It only comes with one, and you will buy. I got another one that I ordered from Daraz. It's smaller than this, but it's gonna work. So I ordered in advance. If you like the review and if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. So this will be my review of Humidifier. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.